Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Imperfect Beauties. So today I did a Thanksgiving inspired look. I used orange and burgundy eyeshadows to create a fall kind of fairy look, and I think it turned out okay. It was my first time doing a cut crease, so I think it's decent, but I guess you guys will be the judge of that. And with that, I did sort of a mauve lip to go with it, just to match the burgundy on the eyes and to make it pop. And on top of that, I added a gold glitter eyeliner just to give it a little bit of shimmer, especially with the holidays coming up. So I hope that you guys like the video, and I will get right into it. Because I have my full face on, I'm just gonna go straight into doing my eyes. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this e.l.f. sheer primer. It's specifically eyeshadow primer. I bought this the other day and I'm pretty curious to see how it works. So I guess we'll see together. I definitely put way too much on. I would just dab it, but so far it feels really nice. It's pretty silky. It's got a tackiness to it, I would say. So just put less on. Okay, so I went and did my other eye first, just so I could practice a little bit, because I've never done a cut crease before, so please bear with me. I know it doesn't look picture perfect like it does on Instagram, but I tried my best. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna go in with this that Urban Decay palette. It's the Distortion palette, which so far I've used for a lot of my eye looks, and I absolutely love it just because it's so versatile and you can use it for so many different things. It's really worth your money, I would say, and I got it on sale, so friggin' awesome. First color I'm using is a burgundy color. That's this darker color that you see on this side, and it's called Velvet. So I'm just gonna start to put it on the outer corner of my eyeball, and you're not gonna put this all over the eye just because it's a pretty pigmented and it's a pretty dark shade, and you're really just doing this for dimension and so that, you know, there's two different colors on your eyes. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend and also deposit pigment on there. So I really need to get a smaller blending brush, especially for my Asian eyes. It's pretty hard to do a crease cut on Asian eyes just because we don't have the same hooded eye or like the crease that other people have. So you kind of have to just fake it, which is fine. We can do that. And you're just gonna pull it over onto right about there. And you'll just blend. So the second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take another brush and you're gonna dip it into the color First Offense, which is this gorgeous orange. And what you're gonna do is start to go right above the burgundy here and start to deposit color. Being careful not to overlap into the burgundy too much. You're gonna blend it in there later, but you really want this color to show up, and you're gonna go around the spot. And taking your blending brush, you're just gonna blend it right into that burgundy. So once you've got those two colors down, what you're gonna do is you're going to use some concealer to do a cut crease. And I'm just using my Milk Makeup concealer, and I'm gonna take this tiny angled brush, which It's really for eyeliner, but I only have a very small set of brushes, so I just use what I have, and I found that this was actually great to cut a crease with because it's really easy to make a half moon with it, which I'm like, that's awesome. Just because I was pretty nervous about doing it because I wasn't sure how hard it was going to be to get that perfect curve. And I found that this brush really did the trick. And because we have the Asian eyes, because I have the Asian eyes, I don't even know who I'm talking to. No one apparently. Because I have Asian eyes, I'm gonna go, so my crease, as you can see, is right here. And if I do it right here, you're not gonna really be able to see the orange, so I'm gonna go a little bit above that. And then you can blend out the end just with your finger, that's fine. We're gonna go over a little bit of the end. And I think that's good enough. So once you've got that down, I'm gonna go back in with First Offense and pat it right over the concealer. How gorgeous is that color? So pretty. And it's such good shine to it. It's so perfect for the holidays. Once you've got that orange glow to your eye, I'm gonna go back in with, actually, no. I'm gonna go in with a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color Territorial right under the orange in the palette. And it's like this shimmery brown color, so I'm gonna use that to sort of blend the orange and the burgundy together. You won't really like see it that much, but I think it helps to blend it in. And it does definitely look a little bit crazy now. So I am going to go in with my concealer and clean up this end of it. And then taking a little bit of bleach, the color, not bleach, that would be horrible. I'm just gonna pop that right into the corner of my eye, and also a little bit right up here. You can use your brush to do that if that's easier. And so you can get a little bit of shine there. Okay. Then we are going to go in with our eyeliner. And I usually will go right at the end of the eyeshadow. Just like that, so you can know where it ends. And drag it down. So there's your shape. This is like such a fun look for me to do, just because I'm just now starting to experiment with color and absolutely love doing it. I think it's so cool to like find the right colors that match with each other and to create eye looks on it. I think I was always very like neutral and matte on my looks, just because I don't like to draw too much attention to my face because of the scars. And recently I've kind of just been like, who gives a fuck, honestly. Once you're done with that, I would definitely let this dry. We're gonna put a gold glitter eyeliner on top of that. This is from Maybelline. It's the Master Precise ink, and you definitely can't see that. It's Master Precise ink in metallic gold, and you definitely want to let your eyeliner dry first, or otherwise it will smear. And once you think that it's dry, you can go ahead and swirl it around in there. And you're just gonna go right over the black line. And don't worry if you get it into your actual black eyeliner. You can go over it again later with your black eyeliner just to clean it up. And I found the easiest is not to drag this around, otherwise you're messing up the eye look that you did. I'm kind of just gently dabbing it into a line. And it also deposits more glitter that way. After that, you're gonna go in with your mascara. I'm using Dior Show. I don't mind if this look is a little bit clumpier because it's very dramatic already. You might as well go for it. So I'm just gonna go in with that. And I always go in with the tip right at the end of my lashes just to give it some extra oomph. So there's your look. I hope you guys like it. It's not a crazy cut crease, I would say, but it was my first time doing it, so please be gentle with me. And I think I did a pretty decent job. I actually really like these two colors together with the gold pop. I think it's awesome for fall. It's very fiery. And yeah, so that's really it. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna do a mauve, like a dark mauve lip color to match this. I didn't want to go too bright with it, just like let my eyes do most of the work. And I'm gonna use a lip liner. This is Frickin' Frack from ColourPop. This is such a disgusting pencil, but I love this color so much. I use it all the time. And so I'm just gonna line my lips with it. Okay, so I'm going in with this really pretty mauve from Bite Beauty. And okay, so here's my Thanksgiving inspired look. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. I really appreciate any comments or likes that you'll give me, and please subscribe if you can. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.